Look at what came today. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. I was screaming and I just ripped the box open. So I already took the stuff out, but I did not open the packaging on any of the items yet to look at them closer. So we're going to do that right now and look at all of the things that I got from the summer collection. So first I got the snap-on lip case, and I got the brown color. I couldn't decide between the tan and the brown, but I really liked this one. Ooh, she's pretty. I can't wait to put that on my phone. And I got the highlight milk, of course. I got the lightest shade because I'm a pale ghost. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So excited. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it, really. I can't put it on my face right now because I'm wearing makeup still from the day, but ooh, this is pretty. After I made my order, I wish I would have got the next color up too. But then it was too late, so there's that. And then I got the Pocket Bronze in the shade Pebble. I did the same thing with the bronzer. I wanted the next shade up and forgot to put that in my cart as well. So let's check this out. Ooh. Let's check it out. Looks like it's gonna be a good shade for my pale skin. So let's try just a little bit. You can see the color there. Well, let's blend it out. Ooh, yeah. That's pretty. Super pretty, I like it. So that's the Pocket Bronze. And, well, I got the stickers. You could choose between the stickers and the tattoo. And I chose the puffy stickers. I have all of the puffy stickers that I've got in the past, like on my laptop and my iPad case. So I'm probably going to do that and add them to my laptop and iPad. Next, I got the peptide lip shape. This is the shade Squeeze. And this has the new packaging, which doesn't have the thing at the end. What do you call it? The smudger thing. Oh my gosh. Pretty. That's like the perfect shade. So pretty. This is like the perfect everyday shade. Okay. And then I had to get all 3 of the limited edition peptide lip tints because I'm obsessed with the lippies. So let's check these out. First we have Colada. Colada. Ooh, that is so pretty. Love it. Yes. Yes, love. So good, so good. Next we have macadamia butter. I am so excited about these. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're finally here. It's crazy too because my order said it was still processing, like it was getting ready to ship or whatever. And I'm like, why hasn't my order shipped? It's been a week and it still hasn't shipped. And I was not expecting it because I'm like, still hasn't shipped yet. My order's not coming. And then I came home from work, went to check for packages on the doorstep and saw the brown box and I was like, could it be? Is that it? Is that her? And I was screaming. I was like, it's here, and I didn't even know it was coming. So that was a great surprise. Okay, so we're gonna wipe that so we can try macadamia butter. Ooh, that's so pretty too. These are so good, like everyday shades. I'm gonna wear these so much, I already know. I wish these weren't limited edition because I already know I'm gonna wear these every day. Love. And then lastly, we have honey mango. Okay, so pretty. So pretty. Love. I love all of these. Oh my gosh. These are all perfect. The perfect shades. I love them. Like, I can't even pick a favorite right now because they're all so good. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with everything I got in my order. I just wish that I would have gotten more things. I didn't expect everything to sell out so quickly, but I'm probably going to get a glazing milk in the next shade up, as well as the bronzer, so I can use that as like a contour bronzer. And yeah, that for sure. But I love everything. Such a good collection, like literally no misses.